In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find your Google Analytics measurement ID quickly and efficiently. Whether you're setting up analytics for the first time or managing existing configurations, having your measurement ID at hand is crucial for tracking and understanding your website's performance. Let's dive right into the process and find that essential piece of data. First, you'll need to navigate to Google Analytics' official website. Open your preferred web browser and go to the Google Analytics Tools and Solutions page. This is where you'll sign in to access your analytics account, and it's the gateway to all the functionalities Google Analytics offers for your business. Next, you'll need to sign in. If you aren't automatically logged in, click on the Sign in to Analytics button. This step will take you directly to your Google Analytics homepage, assuming you've previously set up an account. If you haven't, you'll be prompted to do so. Logging in is straightforward as long as you remember your Google account credentials. Once you're on the Google Analytics homepage, look for the Settings option. You might find it symbolized by a gear icon or labeled explicitly as Settings at the bottom left corner of the page. Clicking here will open the administrative tools you'll use to find your measurement ID. As you access the settings, navigate to Data Collection and Modification. This section contains various options regarding how your website data is collected and managed. Here, you can optimize data collection according to your current analytical needs, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's available. Following that, you'll need to click on Data Streams. This is crucial as it's the hub where all your data input methods are managed and monitored. You'll see a list of data streams associated with your account, often categorized by platforms such as your website, iOS app, or Android app. In the data stream section, select the data stream you wish to obtain the measurement ID for. Once you click on it, a new window will open displaying detailed information about that particular data stream. Here is where you'll find the measurement ID along with other important metrics. Finally, locate the text labeled Measurement ID. It's usually labeled clearly and it's alphanumeric, typically beginning with the letter G. This is the code you'll need to integrate into your website or application to track activity using Google Analytics. And there you have it. You've successfully located your Google Analytics measurement ID. Be sure to store this ID somewhere secure and accessible for future use. Remember, having this ID easily available will enable more efficient tracking and analysis of your website's performance. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps streamline your workflow with Google Analytics.